Well, a popular Sycamore Land Trust hiking trail in Ellettsville will reopen to the public next week after being closed for repairs for more than a year. Volunteers worked with Lauren Wood Builders to help replace and modernize the most used half-mile portion of the raised boardwalk at the Beanblossom Bottoms Nature Preserve.
This started as pretty much an all-volunteer project, and volunteers built the majority of what became a 1.5-mile wetland boardwalk, which is really incredible. It's hard to find statistics on what are the largest boardwalks in Indiana or the country, but as far as we know, this could be the largest one in the state. It's certainly one of the largest. It's probably one of the longest anywhere, which is really impressive. It's a really important wetland area. We have the Beanblossom Creek coming through here. That bobcat photo was taken here at this preserve. There've been bald eagles nesting here since the mid-2000s. It's just a real little ecological jewel.
There's days we were in waders breaking ice to get in the water. So we worked, on days that were 95 degrees and days that were below zero. So always in water and mud. But I'm not complaining because I love being out here. It isn't like my second home. I'm kind of sad to kind of be wrapping it up. It does take a lot of people, and I just wanted to emphasize, that it was a lot of different people that made this possible. Some volunteers would just come on their own time, and just come extra. So it wouldn't have been possible without that because it was all hand labor, and it's a big feat to take on.
Our focus is connecting people to nature and preserving nature, and that connection is really vital to protection. People have to connect to nature to get enthused about protecting it. It's going to allow more people to get out here and experience nature and understand why it's important to protect.
The preserve will reopen the 2.5-mile boardwalk trail to the public with a special celebration on May 18th.